Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Oppo device to HOTWAV Note 12. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and installing free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now you need to select the same options in both apps. Let's start with HotWave. Tap on I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue, and Allow. Now on Oppo, I agree and I acknowledge, confirm, continue, allow. Finally, you can tap on Not Now in Don't Miss New Updates pop-up, or just click on OK. Then tap on Close in white pop-up at the top and choose Send at the bottom left corner of Oppo. Now Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Note 12. Finally, using all of those categories on Oppo device, you can select all files that you wish to transfer. In some of those categories, like contacts, you need to tap on Allow a couple of times. Then select your files. When you finish, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom of Oppo. Click on I got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. In order to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on HotWave. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your HotWave's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Lastly, tap on Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!